Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gerald. I want to go ahead and come on here today and I want to talk about buy and hold rental real estate investing. Buy and hold investing. Why am I bringing this up now? So, this is June 2022, and some things are starting to happen, right, with regards to the real estate market. There's some slight changing going on within several local markets throughout the United States. Properties are starting to stay on the market a lot longer. Um, there's still sales going on, obviously, but the market is going through an interesting shift. Number one, interest rates have increased, and so that is causing a lot of the slowing that's happening right now. Interest rates several months ago were at 3%. Now they're at 5, a little over 5, close to 5.5%, something like that. My apologies, I haven't checked interest rates today. So you have a shift that's going on, right? One of the things that's going to begin to happen, and you'll start to see more and more of, some people call it a crashing. Some people call it all types of things, right? There is a correction that is going on. Now, it's going to slowly start shifting from a seller's market to more of a buyer's market, which means you all are going to start to see a lot less overbidding. That's going to happen in the months to come, right? You're going to start seeing a lot less overbidding on real estate. The people within the last several months that did overbid on pieces of real estate, they're going to see their values begin to correct themselves. I call it coming back down to earth, right? So, for you all that are real estate investors, it is important that you begin to educate yourselves about different aspects of real estate investing. What do I mean? So there's going to be opportunities for buy and hold real estate. There's going to be opportunities to obtain rental property. And there's different ways to obtain rental property, right? You can do it the traditional way, where if you're an investor, you're typically going to put down somewhere around 20%, and you're going to carry 80% financing, put a renter in the property, and obtain some very attractive cash flow. Simply because the thing that has shifted, remember, not just the interest rates, but the rents. Rents in a lot of different areas, they have exploded, right? I want you to take the time. If you all are watching this on replay, in the description, type replay. Do me a favor. In the link in the description area, I want you to type in, what does a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house rent for in your area? I want you to put the rental amount, and I want you to put your city and state. This will let other people know what rents are going for in your particular area. Now, interesting fact is, several weeks ago, it was a house that was on the market for probably about maybe a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks in our area. The rental price for this house was a little over $2,900, $2,950. The shocking thing about it was this: the property was nothing special. I mean, it was, we're talking 4-bedroom, 2-bath, older house, about 1,700 square feet, something like that. Property rented for 2950, something like that. That property, of the properties in my area, used to average anywhere between $1,500 to $1,800 a month. So rents have exploded. Many of you that are real estate investors, get ready, okay? Get ready for some different opportunities to come down the line. Buy and hold real estate investing, right? Where, like I just said, you buy it traditionally, you hold it, you rent it out for some positive cash flow. You can also get creative. There's going to be sellers out there. Now, this is going to be down the line. There's going to be more and more sellers out there. They're going to be highly motivated. You can get creative with your financing. Okay? Many of you are going to be able to step into properties doing a lease option. You do not need to use your income for lease option. You do not need to use your credit for lease option. Understand me. Trust me. Number 3, many of you are going to be able to step into properties subject to the existing financing. What I'm telling you is this. There's going to be some traditional and some creative options to obtain real estate in the months and years to come. It's just going to happen. Okay, get ready. Number 1, pay attention to the interest rate. Pay attention to that interest rate. That interest rate continues to creep up. The slower that the sales become. Pay attention to that interest rate, number 1. Number 2, pay attention to these rental rates. Okay? Rentals become extremely attractive. Why am I telling you this? Many of you that are wholesaling real estate, you're doing something called wholesaling. This is where you're assigning contracts. This buy and hold aspect of real estate is going to be a phenomenal opportunity for a lot of you to obtain real estate, to obtain monthly positive cash flow. So that way, when you're struggling, because many of you are, when you're struggling to put deals together month after month, you still got positive cash flow coming in. Imagine having an extra $5,000, $6,000, $10,000 a month coming in consistently. Now that relieves the pressure, right? So pay attention to rental real estate. All it is buy and hold real estate. It's going to be phenomenal. A lot of phenomenal opportunities coming down the line, okay? And don't forget about mobile homes either, okay? If y'all found value in this video, please click the like button, share it with family and friends. Check out the link in the description. I got 40,000 people, over 40,000 people in my Facebook group now. Link's going to be in the description, okay? Feel free to go ahead and come check it out. And see you all soon. Y'all take care. Have a good one.